Welcome to the heart of Bangkok, where the neon lights never fade and the night is lived more vibrantly than the day. You have arrived at the infamous street, Soi Cowboy. This is not just any street. It is one of the most iconic, chaotic, and intriguing entertainment hubs in Thailand's capital. Located in the Sukhumvit area, this narrow passage of about 150 meters greets you with an atmosphere that will make your head spin the moment it draws you in. With every step, a different rhythm awaits, and with every turn, a brand new light show greets you. Soi Cowboy took its name in the early 1970s from a retired American airman known as T.G. Cowboy, who opened the very first bar there. Since that day, it has become a must-visit destination for adventurers from all over the world, tourists, and those simply curious about this wild environment. As you enter, the first thing that will catch your eye is the visual feast created by the massive neon signs. Imagine a cacophony where purples compete with pinks and reds, and every bar carries its own music into the street. The go-go dancers standing at the entrances of the venues, inviting passersby inside gently yet insistently, are the main elements that define the energy of the street. The music never stops. While the bass echoes in your chest, you feel a mixed scent of entertainment and freedom in the air. This place is like a stage where judgments are left outside the door, and everyone lives in their own world. People do not come here just to drink or watch dancers. They come to keep a finger on the pulse of Bangkok's unique nightlife. The street becomes crowded, especially as it approaches midnight. It is packed with people of all nationalities, travelers trying to take photos, observers of local life, and those who just want to be a part of this colorful chaos. Street vendors selling snacks on one side and the lively bars on the other turn this place into a living organism. However, defining Soi Cowboy only as an entertainment street would be incomplete. It is also a point of cultural collision and fusion. It is a world full of contrasts, where Thailand's traditional hospitality is blended with the fast-paced nightlife habits of the West. The professionalism of the dancers inside and the intense tempo of the bars take you away from the real world for a moment. Every bar has its own unique decoration and theme. Sometimes you feel as if you have entered a cowboy town, sometimes a futuristic spaceship, or sometimes a classic American bar. But when you step outside, the warm and humid air of Bangkok, the never-ending noise of the street, and the unique joy of the people greet you again. To experience Soi Cowboy is to truly understand Bangkok. It is sometimes exhausting, sometimes surprising, but always unforgettable. If your path takes you to Bangkok and you are curious about the energy of this neon-lit street, dive into the crowd without hesitation. Be prepared to meet the true face of Bangkok nights in this street where lights, music, and human stories are intertwined. Because Soi Cowboy is the most vibrant, never-closing curtain of the city that never sleeps, Bangkok. In every corner, another memory is hidden, and in every second, a new discovery awaits. This is not just a venue. It is a unique experience where unforgettable moments are written. You get lost under neon colors, and you leave yourself to the energy of Bangkok.